Ashlyn's getting good. She can go in circles. Oh.
Okay, pedal forward. Carson, want to try?
Carson, do you want to try and ride the bike? No? Okay.
I like toy bikes.
Oh, okay.
I'll throw one.
Oh, okay.
I'll get when you
Hmm.
and then Red Rover and cover you up with my bike. Oh, I mean, can you help me? Today, we're going to learn how to ride a bike.
That's right. Today,
And,
you're getting good at it, huh?
and today we just
What else did we do today?
and we played with the puppies.
And we did play with the puppies, huh?
And we're riding bikes.
Yeah. Did you have a good day? Who else? Who did we meet today?
Carson and
No. Who did we meet for the very first time today?
Carly and Dad.
No. Baby.
Emily.
That's right.
Can you help me?
Carson's got it. Woo.
And we might be playing with Carson and Elsie.
Delcy?
Emily. No, baby Emily, not baby Emily Cooper. Baby Cooper. Baby Emily.
Yeah, Ashlyn.
Oh, the rest of her name's Cooper. Now, can you help me?
Look who's behind you.
Hannah, can you help me now?
Oh, oh.
Carson can. Let go. Carson,
Woo.
good job, bud. Go straight. Go straight. Straight, straight. Try and go straight, please. Yeah. Now turn. Now straight. Oh. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
Oh, see what I did? It was pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Look, it's Elsie.
Yep, Bruce barking back there.
Probably.
When you guys went back there, barking like a mad dog.
Yeah, he didn't want us to leave him. It was sad.
Help me, Tanner.
Carson, push her.
Watch out for Elsie.
Come here.
Okay, I'm gonna ride my bike.
I want to ride my bicycle.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, good catch.
Where's your helmet, little girl?
I know. I need to go buy you a helmet, huh?
And I have to keep my head out of going off of a bike.
Yeah, that's what we need for Ashlyn, huh?
Yep, I have a day, but can you help me turn? It's a boy.
Carson, you want to give her a push? You're good help, Carson. Pedal, Ashley, pedal. You are getting good, sister.
And I can ride it on the road when I'm bigger.
Right on the
Don't ride
sidewalk.
road. You ride on the sidewalk until you're my age.
Till you're 27?
There's Elsie! Who's this? Who's this?
He's going to push.
Tanner! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh.
Who's that? That Carson? Is he your brother?
You're not going to get me, huh?
You need a push? What, Carson? Oh, Elsie!
You're not going to get
We'll
me.
get ran over.
Oh, slow down, slow down. Go backwards if you want to stop.
Push.
Thanks, Carson. You're such a good...
Push back. Hey,
Ashlyn, he's trying to help you. Be
hey,
nice.
thank you, because he is helping you. You say, can you push a little softer, please? Say thank you.
That was a good job, Carson.
Thank you, Carson. Come here, dude. Oh! We got you! Watch out for poop! It's everywhere.
Dude, Cosby's is everywhere.
There's a bunch over there, so don't go over there.
Hey, Ashlyn, I love you.
Love you. Let's get down from here.
Oh, Carson's got me! He's got me! I will take her! You cannot stop me! She is mine. Get back! Good puppy. Good puppy. Play dead. Play dead. Want a treat? Good puppy. You want a treat, puppy? Hey, Benny! Look, there's a puppy. Come here, Benny.
Let him pee.
Go get you.
Let me see if you win it.
Tell us you go. This is a good puppy. Hey, Dad. I got you! You alright?
Oh no, we have an injury.